Hello and welcome back, my Tipdad family. I'm glad you're here for another episode. I hope that you enjoy it and I hope that it's helpful. So sit back, relax, and here we go. Hello everybody, it's Tipdad back with another tip for you. This actually is tip number 6. This one has to deal with Yoplait and your baby's bottle. So this is actually what the tip is about, and this actually is a nice snack alternative if you don't want to use something crunchy or another type of snack that you have. This actually just is a snack of yogurt. So what I like to do is I take my yogurt and I put it in a bottle, and then what I do is I add water to the bottle until the Yoplait is almost like a liquid type form. So I'll actually use a whole 6 ounces of Yoplait yogurt, add water to it. It's actually doing 2 things. It's filtered water or spring water or something like that, just to get water in my child and also get a healthy snack at the same time. And what I actually had to do was you have to take if you don't have a high flow nipple, my little girl likes to chew on it sometimes, and you have to make it a little bit larger just so it gets through, but it's a good alternative, and it's a healthy snack, and it actually goes a long way. You don't have to always use formula, but if your baby is lactose intolerant or whatever, there's yogurts for that as well and different things like that. So I hope that you enjoyed that tip. I hope it helps, and it's a great healthy snack. There you go, and I will talk to you next time.